In this video, I'm going to be giving you my Hily dating app review, real matches or fake profiles. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Hily is a dating app that uses AI, mutual interest, and various filters to suggest matches, combining photo-based browsing, swiping with chat features, video calls, and icebreaker prompts. Its pitch is that it offers smarter matching than generic swipe apps by learning your preferences over time. Now, on the real match side of things, Hily includes identity verification, so such as photo checks or linking to other networks to reduce spam or bots. The app also offers video chat features which help you confirm that the person behind the profile is real before meeting in person. Hily's AI algorithms adjust suggestions based on your responses, so over time you should see more relevant matches and fewer irrelevant ones. However, no dating app is immune to fake profiles or low activity accounts. Because of monetization, some profiles may be bots or inactive accounts that exist to encourage subscriptions. Some users may fake information, mislead about intentions, or vanish suddenly. Filtering, reporting, and moderation helps, but they're not perfect. Another factor is how the app encourages users. So some features or better visibility are locked behind paywalls, which means paying users may see more profiles, including lower quality ones. This creates a tension between matchmaking intent and monetization. Hily tends towards being a legitimate dating platform with real users and interesting matching features, especially with its verification steps and video options. But like all dating apps, it is not immune to fake profiles or bots. So use standard safety precautions, verify users only, and treat matches as potentials, not guarantees.